Welcome students. In this class we are going to learn the topic what are the rules following while drawing electric field lines for charges. The electric field line start from positive charge and end at negative charge. Suppose the charge is positive point, the lines are directed radially outward direction. Suppose the charge is negative, the lines are directed radially inward. The electric field vector at a point in space is tangential to the electric field line at the point. If the electric field lines are denser, that is, more closer electric field lines, that region is larger magnitude. Suppose the electric field lines are less denser, the region of electric field is smaller magnitude. Never two electric field lines intersect each other. The number of electric field lines that emanate from the positive charge or end at negative charge is directly proportional to the magnitude of the charges. Now we are going to see the topic electric field due to a dipole. That we have two cases. First case, electric field due to one electric dipole at points on the axial line. Consider a electric dipole and the point C located at a distance R, and O is the midpoint of the dipole. This is the formula for electric field at a point C due to plus Q is, and this is the formula for electric field at a point C due to minus Q charge. Now we calculate the total electric field at a point C. This is calculated by superposition principle of the electric field. So electric field total, that is equal electric field positive point and electric field at negative point. We add two equation and common term Q by 4 by epsilon naught is taken outside and remaining term in bracket. Now we take the LCM for denominator in the formula of a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square, that is equal a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b the whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. We use that formula and cancel out the r square plus a square and minus r square minus a square. The resultant value is 1 by 4 by epsilon naught into 4rqa divided by r square minus a square the whole square into p cap. If the point of C is very far away from the dipole, that is r greater than of a is very small, so we neglect out, so r power 4. Substitute the value in equation, we get the value of 1 by 4 by epsilon naught to p vector by r cube.